Game can't find its code because of the Uplay R1 Loader DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll show you how to restore that connection and start playing. Before starting the detailed Uplay R1 Loader fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the Uplay R1 Loader, a legacy component of the Ubisoft Connect ecosystem responsible for the initial verification and loading of older Ubisoft titles, e.g., Assassin's Creed, Far Cry. It coordinates the handshake between the game executable and the Ubisoft servers. If missing, the game launcher will fail to initialize the Uplay session, resulting in a failed to start notification. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Uplay R1 Loader is part of the graphics or audio runtime used by many games. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores missing DirectX components, while a GPU driver update handles OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA-related files. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Uplay R1 Loader, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Uplay R1 Loader DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. The link in the description references a professional diagnostic scan resource associated with Uplay R1 Loader and PC health. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Uplay R1 Loader dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.